Writing style informative. Hi everyone, today I'm diving into a pressing issue that's weighing heavily on Southern Africa. Is the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, failing Zimbabwe? Let's break this down. First off, Zimbabwe's political landscape is tumultuous, with allegations of corruption and mismanagement rampant. The recent events in Zimbabwe, especially concerning the general elections, have sparked intense debate on whether the regional bloc, SADC, is effectively promoting democracy and stability. Take the cholera outbreak in Hammanskraal, South Africa, as a microcosm of broader regional challenges. This disaster underscored the dire need for functional, accountable governance, a need that stretches across borders into Zimbabwe, where citizens also face similar hardships. What's concerning is SADC's silence. As Zimbabwe battles economic collapse and political repression, SADC's lack of assertive intervention is glaring. Isn't it part of their mandate to uphold democratic values and ensure stability within the region? Consider the 2023 Zimbabwe general elections. Marked by accusations of unfair practices, the elections were a litmus test for SADC's influence and commitment to democracy. Unfortunately, the lackluster response from SADC did little to instill confidence in their capabilities or intentions. Moreover, let's not forget the unresolved abduction of Zimbabwean journalist and activist Itai Dzamara. Years have passed, yet there's no significant progress in the investigation. This case is a stark reminder of the ongoing war on truth and justice in Zimbabwe, and sadly, SADC's response has been underwhelming, if not non-existent. So what should SADC do? It needs to step up and play a more proactive role. This involves not just monitoring elections, but ensuring they're fair, transparent, and free from manipulation. SADC must also pressure member states to adhere to the rule of law and respect human rights. In conclusion, if SADC aims to be a beacon of hope and a catalyst for positive change, it must reassess its strategies and actions. The people of Zimbabwe, and indeed the entire region, deserve a future where their rights are protected and their governments are accountable. Thanks for tuning in. Let's keep the conversation going. What are your thoughts on SADC's role in Zimbabwe? Drop your comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful discussions. See you in the next video.